My name is Pankaj Pradhan. You are at home as Corona is spreading in our city. So you should take care and don't go outside at your home. So be safe. Now Khasa Little Flower School presenting study at your home. So we are going to explain the first chapter of science of 6th class, food. Where does it come from? We see different type of food in our daily life. There are different type of food varieties. Number one is the food varieties. You eat different type of food varieties as roti, dal, rice, vegetable, etc. You like to eat different type of foods, vegetarian or non-vegetarian. All vegetarian foods we get from plants, but non-vegetarian foods we get from animals. But first, as we have to explain, all the food are made up of different types of materials called ingredients. Ingredient means the material which are used to prepare any food. For example, we take the example of roti. Roti is made up of flour plus water. Okay. The next one is we have to prepare dal. To prepare dal, we use pulses, salt, spices, oil or ghee, onion, etc. Now, you have to prepare rice and water. So we can say that these are the ingredients to prepare any food item. Now, we have to study food materials and their sources. What are the food materials and what are their sources? Food materials and their sources. Food are of two types. First is the food which is obtained from plants and other is obtained from animals. Plant give us vegetables, grains, pulses, fruits, etc. And animals give us milk, meat, chicken. Okay. So those living beings which eat plants are called vegetarian and other who eats animal are called non-vegetarian. Now if we take the example of idli. Idli, you know, idli is made up of different type of nutrients. Idli. We can make it from rice, urd dal, urd dal, salt and water. Okay. Rice and urd dal we get from plants. But salt is obtained from seawater and water is natural resources. Now you like to eat chicken curry. Chicken curry eats a non-vegetarian person. As we should prepare, we use chicken, spices, oil or ghee, and water. Chicken we get from animals. Which animal? Pork. Spices we get from plants. Oil we get from plants. Oil, for example, soybean oil, mustard oil, groundnut oil, and ghee we get from cow or buffalo, and water is a natural source. Okay? Now, after that, the next point we have to discuss is plants parts of animals. Plant parts. Plant parts and animal products. Animal products as food. Plant parts. Generally, all the parts of the plant are edible. Edible means those parts we can eat, as root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit. This is a plant. Upper portion of the soil is called shoot system. The part inside the soil is called root system. These are the roots, leaf, stem, fruit, and flower. Okay? Generally, we eat all the parts of the plant, but in some vegetables we eat roots, some one stem, in some plants we eat leaf, and some plant we eat fruits, and some plant we eat flowers. As we eat roots. Roots of carrot, radish. Carrot and radish we eat. Now, stem. Stem of sugarcane, potato. Third one is leaf. We eat a leaf of palak, methi, etc. Now flower. Which flower we eat? Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Okay. Now next one is fruit. Fruit as all type of grains and mangoes, banana, etc. So the generally all the parts of the plants are edible: root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit. Now after that, animal products. What are the animal products? Animal products as milk, meat, chicken. We get milk from cow and buffalo. We get milk from cow, goat, buffalo, etc. And meat. We eat meat of goat, etc. and chicken of cow. So generally these products are animal products. After that, we have to discuss sprouted seeds. Sprouted seeds. Sprouted seeds. We eat in morning. We eat in morning sprouted seeds as gram, moong. So to use the sprouted, we should take seeds of moong, gram, etc. in a container and fill it with water. After some time or after a few hours, we will see some white projections are coming outside from the seeds. This is called sprout. Sprouted seed. We should eat sprouted seed in morning time. Okay. Now and honey. Honey. We get honey. Honey. What is honey? Honey we get from the flower. In flower, butterfly and insects collects fruit juices, flower juices from the different plants and keep it in the flower and forming nectar. Nectar. It reacts with chemical to form honey. It is very good for our health. Now, what do animals eat? The other point is, so what do animals eat? What do animals eat? What do animals eat? According to the eating habit, they are of three types. Number 1, 2, 3. Herbivorous. Herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Herbivorous means those animals which eat plants. For example, cow, buffalo, goat, deer. These all animals eat plants, so they are called herbivorous. Next one is carnivorous. Those animals which eat flesh of other animals, for example, lion and tiger. Lion, tiger, wolf, etc. These all animals are called carnivorous. They live in the forest, so they are called carnivorous. Now the last one is omnivorous. Omnivorous means those living beings which eat plants as well as animals, called omnivorous. Its example is human being. Human being means we. We eat both type of things as plants as well as animals. Now, in this lesson, we have studied food varieties. There are different type of food varieties and the ingredients. Ingredients means those things which are used to prepare any food. And third one is food materials and sources. Food materials means plant as well as animals, where we get from. Now, next one is the plant parts and animal products. Plant parts means root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit. Generally, all things are used as food. Edible parts of the plant in root, carrot, radish, we have discussed that earlier. Stem, sugar cane, leaf, palak, methi, etc. Flowers means cauliflower, and fruits, wheat, grains, banana, papaya, mango, etc. And animal products are egg, milk, and chicken, etc. And we discussed sprouted roots, those sprouted seeds. When we seeds take in container and filled with water, after few hours we will see the some projections are coming out from the seeds. They are called sprouts, which is good for health. Now honey we get from the flower juices, which is prepared by honey bees. Now next one, the last point, what do animals eat? Animals eat. According to the eating habit, they are of three types: herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Herbivorous means those animals which eat plants as cow, buffalo, goat, deer. Carnivorous, lion, tiger, and wolf, etc. And omnivorous means human being, those which eat both type of product, animal product as well as plant product. Now, the lesson is finished. In the next lecture, we will discuss the question answers of the lesson and the exercises. Okay? Thank you.